Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with this 20x10 Lux HD 8 wheel and these 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12 ply. Now these 20x12 Lux HDs, they come in a 20x9, a 20x10, and a 24x14. The finishes that you can get the wheels in are in a chrome, a gloss blue with a milled window, a gloss red with a milled window, a gloss black with a milled window, a white and milled window finish, and a satin black finish. Now these Lux HDs, they are great for the price. They are a gloss finish wheel, and the fact that you can get them in red or blue, they have so many different options that you can get them in, which is great. Besides that, they are one of the only budgeted tires that are offered in a 6x120 bolt pattern, which would be for Colorado. If you're out there shopping around for a Colorado wheel, you're gonna find real quickly that it's hard to find one under $250 for a Colorado. However, this Lux is offered in a 6x120, which is perfect for Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon trucks. Now these Fury mud terrain tires, they are a mud terrain by Fury's classifications. However, they appear to be more of a RT tire, more of a hybrid tire. They are aggressive, however, the tread pattern is more like an all-terrain tire and the depth is like a mud terrain tire. Everybody's loving these Furies. However, with this matchup, we averaged about 7 ounces of weight on each tire and wheel, which is just a little bit more than what I prefer. I'm happy with 3.5 ounces on a wheel. And I think 5 is acceptable, so 7's a little heavy, especially for a 33-inch tire, but it is a 12-ply tire, so if you're hauling or you just drive a 3/4 ton or a 1-ton truck, a 12-ply is probably a better option for you than a typical 10-ply mud terrain tire. So besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires or wheels, or maybe a lift kit or a light bar or some bumpers or some rails or a tunnel cover or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.